G'day! In today's video I've taken apart a Dual Sense or PS5 controller, and this particular one's got a faulty R2 trigger. The R2 trigger just doesn't function properly. And what I've done is I've tore apart an older one, as I've noticed that the repairability seems to be slightly less. On earlier revisions of this controller, there was a metal pin here you could pull out or push out to take the trigger off. On this one, it's fused in there, and I reckon you've got to destroy it to be able to get it out. I haven't looked too far into how to get it out, but I don't think I need to get it out. And the issue that I've discovered was, without the spring in there, it functions just fine. Granted, it doesn't have the different levels of tension to it, but what I discovered was, after tearing apart an older one, the spring itself is faulty. So the spring's about to break. Right now, right in the corner on this particular one. You can see the angle, it's meant to be nice and smooth, and instead it goes a dead straight line. So right now it's about to break. So hopefully, looking on AliExpress, I can get a replacement spring. The reason why I say that is the springs on the older version are coiled up 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And comparing it with the spring on the original, or the newer version, it goes around 1, 2, 3. So essentially there's middle core, the arm on one end, middle core, and then the other arm, where on the older version we have one arm, then 2 coils in the middle, and then the other arm. Oop, and I've just nearly lost that. So I'll be looking on AliExpress, and I can get these ones. Just when you do order, make sure you do double check the actual video, the image, to make sure you do have the right amount of winds. I'm not sure the technical term for it, but this one does only have one bit in the middle and then the 2 arms. So it looks like I'll be ordering that, putting it in, and going from there. So I do think this is a newer revision of the controller. I'm not sure if the model number is different. Yeah, I was trying to say CFI/ZCT1W. Yeah, that'll do for today. I'm just going to bag up most of these pieces. The other thing to note as well was, with the newest controller that I got, the screw is black. On the earlier revisions, they're silver. So I'm not sure if this is a newer model. It does seem to be a couple of differences here and there. Even with the PCB, looking at the top, on the newer version there's a cutout on this location here, where there's plastic. So to me this seems almost slightly inferior. Looking at the solder job there, a bit lackluster. Yeah, less repairable. Do have little rubber stoppers on here, as opposed to none on here. Yeah, anyway, that's going to hopefully fix my R2 problem. So, if you do have the issue, take out the spring that's there, check it, inspect it, try it without the spring. Granted, it's not going to be the same, but at least you're going to give you an idea if your spring is faulty, damaged, broken. Bye.